The seventh process of the build, implement and acquire domain is called manage change acceptance and transitioning. The identifier of the process is BAI07. The process ensures that the changes introduced with new solutions are accepted, including the planning, implementation, testing, and support of new solutions. The purpose of the process is to implement solutions in line with the agreed-on expectations. The process supports two IT-related goals. The first supported goal is to ensure the adequate use of applications and technology solutions. The achievement of this goal is measured by the business process owner's satisfaction level with the IT services, and by the business user's satisfaction level with training. The second goal is to ensure the integration of technology into business processes. Its achievement is measured by the number of business incidents caused by technology errors, and by the number of business changes delayed due to technology integration issues. The process has four process goals. The first goal is to ensure that the acceptance testing meets the stakeholder approval, and its achievement is measured by the stakeholder satisfaction level with the testing process. The second goal is to ensure that releases are ready to be moved to production, and its achievement is measured by the % of releases not ready as per their schedule. The third goal is to ensure that the releases are moved successfully and are stable, and its achievement is measured by the % of unstable releases. The fourth and last goal is to ensure that the lessons learned contribute to future releases, and its achievement is measured by the % of completed root cause analysis. The process has 8 practices, and the first practice is to establish an implementation plan. The entities that are responsible for this practice include the business process owners, the chief risk officer, and the chief information officer. The entity that is held accountable is the program steering committee. The practice receives 2 inputs, which are the quality management plan from the BAI1 process, and the change plan and schedule from the BAI6 process. The practice generates 2 outputs, which are the approved implementation plan, and the implementation feedback process, both to be used internally. The activities involved in this practice include creating an implementation plan that reflects the implementation strategy. The plan should include the implementation steps, the resource requirements, the installation verification requirements, and the transition strategy. All the implementation plans should be approved by the technical and business stakeholders. The feedback and recovery process should be identified and documented. Finally, the associated technical and business risks should be reviewed and addressed.